Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, if you have a BMW, guys, any BMW, and you guys need to calibrate your steering angle sensor, you need to reset it, you need to calibrate your steering angle sensor. We'll show you guys how to do that. The procedure is super simple, it takes just a few minutes, but you have to have the right tools. And we'll share one of the cheapest tools that can do that with you. Now, we'll be showing you on a 3 Series BMW, but it should work on 1 Series, 2, 3, 5, 6 Series BMW. Also, it'll work on X3, X5, and the Z3, Z4 models, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it, and show you what needs to be done now, guys. This is the car right here. Okay, it's a 2005 BMW. You may actually, guys, have the traction control light and brake light on due to a bad or not calibrated steering angle sensor. Every time you do a front end work, let's say a front end alignment, something like that, you will need to, guys, reset your steering angle sensor. And this is the tool that we'll be using. All that, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below. So let me show you guys what we'll be doing here. We need to find our OBD port. Okay, right there. Connected now. Okay, perfect. And I'll show you what needs to be done. The vehicle needs to be on a perfectly leveled ground when we do that. We have to have the ignition on. Okay, let me turn the ignition on. Okay, like that. And with these two, guys, you can read and delete codes from the engine computer, airbag system, ABS, traction control. You can register batteries. So many things, guys. So many things. Super helpful too. And I'll go down to SAS. This is steering angle sensor. We click enter. Okay, and what we do now here, instructions of the function or choose a vehicle. Okay, it's going to give you guys, okay, let me just turn the light a little bit down. Okay, it's going to give you the different options here. Instruction function, you can read about that if you want to, what it does, all that stuff. You can see what it's for. We'll just go to choose a vehicle. Okay, right there. Now we'll select Europe. This is a BMW. You can see this one supports so many brands. We'll select BMW 3 Series, guys. Okay, let me show you the ones that it supports for BMW X, Z. So quite a few, guys. We'll go to 3 Series, E46, right there. Switch on. Ignition. Okay, ignition is on our vehicle now, and we're going to click OK. Okay, it's establishing communication now with the vehicle. It says operations are normal, but the function is still necessary to perform. Please, okay, if all operations are normal, but the function is still unnecessary to perform, to send them the information. We confirm OK. Now, what we have right here, guys, it says description of the steering angle sensor. Okay, you can read what all this is about. You can select it and it tells you what the sensor does and all that stuff. So pretty interesting information for some of you that need more help. And I'm going to click perform steering angle calibration, steering angle sensor matching. Do you wish to carry out the steering angle sensor? Make sure your steering wheel is pointing. Okay, it's perfectly leveled steering wheel, not to the left or to the right a little bit. Okay, ours, it needs to be just like that. Okay, perfect. So I'll click yes. Set wheels precisely in straight ahead position. Okay, and it's establishing communication. Now let's see what it's going to tell us. Okay, the matching procedure for the steering angle sensor was carried out correctly. Check whether the fault is still present, switch ignition off, and then read fault code memory. So we can do that if we want to, or at that point, most likely you're done, guys. You can see the steering angle right here, and you can check, okay, if it's working. So you can see definitely every time I turn the steering wheel, it changes. Okay, positive numbers, 37 degrees angle. And now we're in the negative numbers. And now we're at 2. And we'll click continue. And if test model, everything's fine. And if I go ahead and start the car now, okay, we shouldn't have any steering angle sensor lights or anything like that, no traction lights. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.